be honest with you, I'm a game designer.
Fishing guy.
Start doing blacksmithing full time.
Probably music.
I'd probably want to be like an executive chef.
I think so. My 12-year-old self thought my dad was cool, and I'm probably pretty close to my dad.
Debatable.
Oh, that's a good question.
Better be.
You'd probably say, I can't believe you're still alive.
They would probably want me to be a star NFL player, but yeah, hell yeah.
90-10. 90 goes savings, 10 goes to me to spend and have fun with.
I would all my family, starting a company.
I'd pay off my bills and my house.
And preferably go back to music.
I'd invest it.
Oh, that's easy. I would spend the first $10,000 to buy a new dirt bike, and then I would think about everything else.
Ireland.
Probably Egypt.
Japan.
I would love to go to Spain.
So probably Portugal, yeah.
Well, right now, Japan.
Fast-paced.
Innovative.
Innovative. Dynamic.
Exciting.